Hello, I'm a baby boomer. This is my chair. It's pretty comfortable. Like many of you, I draw inspiration from the natural world. Recently, I was inspired to write a poem about nature, and I'd like to share it with you. The poem is entitled Nature. Slime is everywhere. Slime laps the shores of green lagoons. Slime haunts the drawers of Frigidaire's. Slime lingers on hankies and on sleeves, leaves its mark on underpants, reminds us of the lunch we tried but could not digest. Slime asks no questions, knows no answers, but slime seeps out of every orifice. It coats our brains, our stomachs, and our hearts. We cannot think, cannot sense or feel without slime. When all the world is destroyed, almost beyond repair, slime is the glue. Slime knows no boundaries, respects no limitations. You cannot pick up slime or put it down. Slime is timeless. When all our efforts have come to naught, when the earth on its axis halts, still remaining, still enduring, two elements, time and slime. Thank you.